Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here today. I have a fun video to share with you today. Today's video is a collaboration video, a box swap, a mystery box swap with my friend Quenby, the Grateful Queen, right here on YouTube. If you are visiting me from Quenby's channel, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much for clicking on my video to see what items Quenby sent to me to sell in my online stores. That's what I do, guys. I'm an online reseller of women's pre-loved shoes and clothing. That is how I make my living, and I am so excited to be collaborating with Quenby today. I have collaborated with Quenby in the past. We have done comparison thread-up mystery box videos together, and we have also exchanged inventory. She is a pleasure to work with. And I have to say that Quenby has been a gem on this video because she did allow me to postpone this video for a bit. I have been MIA, and if you are curious, if you're one of my regular viewers, update at the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I know most of you are here just to see what Quenby sent me, and I'm so excited about this collaboration because Quenby reached out to me and said, Kelly, I have a bunch of plus size inventory. Would you like some of it? And I said, absolutely. I'm always looking for great plus size options to add to my online store. And here is why. Because I have a hard time finding and sourcing great plus size options to add to my store. I'll tell you why I think this is. I just think that it is purchased much faster than smaller size clothing in both regular retail environments and also in thrift stores. And that's why it can be a little bit tougher to find those plus size options. I strive to make my stores size inclusive, but I would have to say that plus size is the size that is the hardest to find. So I am so excited to open the box. Says double, yes, boxes. Quenby sent me 2 boxes of inventory, and I'll give you a little backstory and kind of explain what happened. So I don't keep a lot of extra inventory. So I had to go out sourcing, and I was really excited to source with my friend Quenby in mind. I am a big fan of the Grateful Queen YouTube channel. I think I've seen every single video that Quenby has made, and so I feel like I know her personally. I feel like I know the clothing that she likes to wear and also what she likes to sell. So it is kind of fun to thrift with a specific person in mind. It kind of narrows down what you are thrifting for. So I went to a local thrift store with my mother, and this thrift store is a local charity store. A lot of times their clothing is half price. I love this store, and they have the friendliest staff. Now, when I walked in and I started looking, one of the employees asked me if she could help me find anything. And normally I say no, right? Because I'm just flipping through the racks. But this time I said, I'm actually shopping for a friend, and I'm looking for some California bohemian summer. Now, guys, if you know Quenby, do me a favor right now. Drop it in the comments. How would you answer this question? Those are the things I started saying. I'm looking for linens. I'm looking for embroidery, flowy, boho, free people. Okay, if you have anything to add, please put it in the comments below. And right away, this employee started helping me. Now, I think she assumed that I was shopping for a sister. And as we were talking and going through the racks, I did explain to her that I was doing a video, a YouTube collaboration with Quenby. And lo and behold, guys, she knew the Grateful Queen, which, I mean, it made me feel like I was really somebody. Like, I know a celebrity. And then one of the shoppers who was in earshot of us also got in on the action. Barbara found a really cute shirt for Quenby. Now, guys, when I went to pack this box to send to Quenby, I didn't have the heart to take out any of the items. So I sent Quenby everything that these ladies at this little thrift shop had picked for Quenby. So the box I sent Quenby was really not just curated by me. I had some help with some awesome friends that are friends of Quenby's channel, and also thrifter extraordinaire Michelle, my thrifting buddy. We go to El Paso about once a month, and Michelle also found some pieces to send to Quenby. So I messaged Quenby and I said, girl, you're getting a box of clothing from your New Mexico fan club. I live in New Mexico, if you're not familiar, and a small town in New Mexico. So guys, after you watch this video, after you see what Quenby sent to me, I want you to go over to Quenby's channel and see what the New Mexican fan club and Kelly Shaffner sent to Quenby. If you're new to my channel, you might not know that I love a mystery box. Oh, Quenby sent some poly mailers. These are always so much fun. Oh, I love this one. This one is perfect for summer with some watermelons on it, some pink flamingos. Thank you, Quenby. She did send a postcard, and she signs off by saying, I can't wait to thrift with you in real life someday. I really hope that gets to happen. Okay, here is the inside of the box. I'm excited. I see some denim on top. Let's see what we have. I love selling denim, and these are universal standard. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. I love selling this brand. Universal standard. This is kind of a dark wash. Looks like it's a very high rise, skinny universal standard, which is a super, super plus size brand. I would sell, this is probably my favorite plus size brand to sell. It does really well, and it is on the higher end. So I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this. Okay, next up, something in red, which is my favorite color. So thank you. Guys, Quenby sent me a red satin top, and I wanted to wear it for this video, but I needed some cheerful orange. So red watch, cheerful orange. Next, we have a Torrid piece. This is size 0 in the color red, and this I think is a polyester top. It looks like this. So we have a scoop neck right there, and kind of a high-low. Can you see that high-low hemline? Very nice. I like that. And then next up, this looks like it's new with tags. This is new with tags Eloquy. Okay, this is another great plus size brand. This is cute as can be. Look at that V-neck. Okay, which is, let me see if I'm showing it correctly. Because sometimes the V goes in the back, and I can't tell. I'm not doing a very good job here. Okay, the V does go in the back. I was right on that. So this is the front. And so the front does have a V. See, there's the V, but it has a deep V in the back. And let me see if I can tell the size on this. Sorry, guys. This one is Eloquy size 20. I haven't been showing the tags. Guys, I am so off my game. Thank you. Thank you for your patience with me. I love the bright colors on this. This is perfect for summer. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Forever 21. This is a size 1X. 1X. Forever 21. Cute, cute, cute little sundress. This is probably going to be just above the knees. Very, very cute. My husband knows I love the yellow floral prints. I just think they scream cheerful, sunshine, summertime. Ooh, this is pretty, pretty, pretty. This is a paisley top by Shakti. Shakti. Now, I see this brand in the thrift store. I have never, ever picked it up before. I have looked it up, and I know that it can comp really well. Okay, can you see that beautiful paisley print on this? Let me look at it. Okay, this is a button front. It does have a matching belt. I think this is, I'm guessing this is a top. This is a custom size, and that is why I've stayed away from Shakti, because I do think these are custom made pieces. So I will have to measure this, but I am guessing right off that this is probably an extra large or a 1X, and it is, I think it is a shirt dress. And the next piece is a dress, guys. Let me take a look. This is really cute. It's a 16W dress. It is fully lined, and the brand on this one is Ronnie Nicole, size 16. This is feels very, very comfortable. It's a stretch knit dress with this kind of medallion lace overlay on it. Yeah, this is so nice. And again, it's perfect for the summer season. Okay, we started box number 2, guys. Another postcard with a sweet little note on it. And on the top, we have something in black. I'm going to put this on the floor. Something in black. Oh, who are you? Oh, I love this brand. I love selling this brand. This is ModCloth, guys. ModCloth, size 1X. This is a little black dress, kind of a cap sleeve on it. Looks like it is a fit and flare. I bet it has pockets. No pockets on it, but it is fully lined. Fit and flare, little black dress. It does have some seaming detail, so it's going to fit very, very nicely. I love, love, love selling this brand. That's another great plus size brand that does very, very well. Something in black and white, super soft. Really, really soft. Oh, this is cute. Cute, cute, cute. Who are you? Rue, and this is a size 4X. This is by the brand Rue. This is a smocked, I'm going to say off the shoulders top in a cute little, I want to say this is black and white, guys. My eyes might be deceiving me. This could be blue. You know, I'm not, oh, it's a romper. Oh, that is great. Really cute. Great for summer. Oh my gosh. Another piece in black. Looks like a dress. I'm guessing this is a dress. This is kind of a slinky dress. I found the tag. This is ASOS Curve, and this one is a US size 20. I have never tried ASOS Curve. I don't pick up a lot of ASOS, and I don't know why, because I love the website myself. I have shopped it in the past quite a bit, so I'm guessing this is kind of an off-the-shoulder look too, and probably a tunic style. It does have, I could be wrong, guys. I might not be showing this correctly. Oh, okay. Maybe it is a dress. Yeah, I think it is a dress. Okay. It's going to go like this. And this is going to go in the back. Yeah. So you guys check my Poshmark closet. I will have everything listed so you can see how the clothing is supposed to fit. And, ooh, something in floral, which I love florals for the summertime. I think I like florals all year round. This one is Vibe, and this is a 2X Vibe. I think this is going to be a mini dress, although it could be worn as a tunic top. 2X Vibe, very pretty with spaghetti straps, kind of a swing top or swing dress, very easy to wear in the hot summer months. This feels really substantial, and it gives me a paisley vibe. Is this a paisley? Kind of, sort of a paisley vibe to it. And this is by Boohoo, and we are a size 24 Boohoo piece. I think this is a maxi dress. Are you a maxi dress? Let me stand up. I think this is a maxi dress. It does have a ruffle hem detail. It is fully lined. Looks like this. This is what the back looks like. Very, very pretty. All right, this is the final piece, guys, in a really pretty terracotta color. And oh, I think these are sweatpants. I thought this was a dress. So this is what the pants look like. And they're really soft. The brand on these is Ava and Viv. Ava and Viv, these are a 4X. 4X, Ava and Viv, new with tags. Sweet. They're not jogger style. They do have a cuffed hem on them, which I don't know. Are you elastic cuff, or do you like a cuff like this on a jogger? I go back and forth. Sometimes I like the jogger, and then sometimes I like these. This is so much fun. I cannot wait to get these items listed in my online stores. I want to give a great big thank you to Quenby for all of this fabulous inventory and also for being so very patient with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will be back with more content. For those of you that have been curious, where have I been? I have been gone from YouTube for about 2 weeks, guys, and the Shaffner family did get sick. Everything went on hold, as you might expect. In the beginning, we separated. My mother was at her house, my husband was at our house, and I was going back and forth. Within days, my mother and I also tested positive. We all had mild cases, but I'll tell you what, it was exhausting. That's what I'll say. And with my mom and I, it was a very mild case, but it all was right here, and I ended up losing my voice, which I'm sure helped my husband to recover much, much quicker. I did try to film a couple videos, and I had no voice to do it. So I'm backed up, guys. I am behind. I have some hauls to share with you, and I opened a couple thread-up shoe boxes, which I'm going to share the shoes with you because I got some really fabulous shoes in those boxes. But the good news is we're feeling much better. One of the pros that came out of this whole thing is my house got really, really clean. So with the exception of my office, I feel like I just kept putting things in my office and I wasn't working, so things weren't moving as quickly in my office and in my reselling business as normals. We are currently picking up the pieces and moving forward. I want to thank everyone for your thoughts and prayers during this time. It's much, much appreciated. And it worked. I feel like we were very, very blessed through all of this. Now, guys, I'll tell you what, I'm dying to go see Quenby's video. So join me as we go check out how Quenby likes the box that my friends and I put together for her. Thumbs up the video. I will see you in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't done that, guys. YouTube is going to be really mad at me, so I could really use your support. I love you so much. Blessings.